too bad. But yeah, I think the car had like even bumped like a bar or something before I got it. It's weird. But like I know like it's a salvage title because I'm sure it got hit in the rear end because it's bent here. I could see like a little bent here. And where else? It looks like the bumper supports are pretty bent up, so I'm gonna have to hammer those back up. This one's straight. You see all the difference? Alrighty, y'all. Let's wrap this one up. Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're gonna go ahead and continue taking out some interior pieces on the rear end. So continue cutting. You know, we're doing it. I'm gonna try to get as much of this out as I can. Alright, y'all, I went ahead and I got like the bracket where the speakers are at. I cut it all out, it's all gone now. A lot lighter, tell you that much. Race car. After I get the sound deadening out, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of this, clean everything, take the seat belts up. Very time consuming, y'all, very time consuming. Cut the bumper support last night. I'm gonna go ahead and paint that a little bit. Put a fresh coat of black on it. Project Civic in the works. I also got a new trunk lid on my dad's house. I bought it at the junkyard. I gutted it already. It's all good. But yeah. Alright, this is where I'm gonna get it. So right there is 40 pounds of dry ice. I'm gonna go ahead and use it to remove all the sound deadening in here. All of this is going bye-bye. But yep, let's get this shit started, y'all. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, y'all. Hear it all cracking? It's all coming up. Alrighty. Coming along pretty good. It just freezes and just comes right off. Look at how cold it gets down here. Damn, I never really realized that this whole bottom of the car is frozen. Freezing cold. Well, it's working. It's working. Hope you guys are liking the content so far. I still got like 10 pounds. Still got 10 pounds left. I'm gonna go over that and then I'm gonna get all of this out. This here. Yeah, it's coming. Let me get back on it. It's very time consuming right here, taking out the sound Ditney. She's gutted now. And then like the video right now as you're watching, man. Don't forget to like that video. But yeah, we're coming along. Like I said, building a project like this, it takes time. You gotta be patient, but patience is key in the game. Interior's looking much cleaner, much cleaner. But yeah, that was another video for y'all today. I hope you like it. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, you know. It'll help me out. But yeah, I hope you all had a great day. Thank you for watching today's video. And be sure to tune into the next one. Hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit that bell up top. Thank you again and have a nice night.